Good afternoon, Con here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Google Chromecast with Google TV. This was just released yesterday on September the 30th. So this is the new Chromecast with Google TV. It's got the remote and everything with it. So it's got everything built in. You don't have to necessarily cast stuff from your phone. You can use this as an all-in-one device. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it and take a look at what you get in the package. And I'm going to set it up off camera, but depending on how I like it, I may do a video on the OS and how everything operates, but I want some time to play with it first because it is something I have not used before. Let's see, right here we have the Chromecast itself, and this does support 4K and HDR as well as just regular 1080p if you don't have a 4K TV, and it retails for $49.99, so really nice price for a 4K streaming device. That's what it looks like. It does come in a couple of different colors. It comes in a pink and a blue as well, of course with those funny Google names. But this is just the chalk one, the white one. And then here is the included remote. The only thing I don't like about the remote, opposed to the Apple TV, is the remote is not rechargeable. But for $50, you know, that's something you just have to live with. It's kind of similar in shape and size to a Roku remote, so it comes with a Roku TV or Roku streaming player, and you have your volume buttons on the side as well. Power button here, it looks like a source button, so it may have TV control. It looks like it's infrared. I know this is Bluetooth, so it looks like this can probably control your TV and probably change your source so you can switch to your Chromecast without having to use another remote. Back button, Google Assistant, little directional pad here with a enter button in the middle. Default buttons for YouTube and Netflix, a home button, and a mute button right here on the center. Like I said, your volume buttons are on the side. And then also in the box is a power adapter and a USB to USB-C cable to power the device that is required. I don't know if it can be powered off a TV USB port. We'll try that and I'll let you guys know how it goes. And then we have the batteries right here for the remote. So nice that all that is included. But that is the Google Chromecast with Google TV. That's what you get in the package. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And like I said, stay tuned. I may do a follow-up video on this with a review as well.